Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do the next question of our agriculture optional answer writing practice सीरीज जो हमारी एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस सीरीज चल रही है उसका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं एंड टुडेस क्वेश्चन इज डिस्क्राइब इन डिटेल द पैकेज ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ ऑनियन कल्टीवेशन पैकेज ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ ऑनियन कल्टीवेशन इन इंडिया. So one more question of package and practice we will discuss today, and this question was asked in the Indian Forest Service examination conducted by UPSC, and this was asked in 2022. तो आई फर्स्ट का जो एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल पेपर था उसमें 2022 में ये क्वेश्चन आ चुका है एंड मेनी टाइम्स पैकेज ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस हैव बीन आस्क्ड. अगर आप देखो तो हर साल एवरी ईयर 1 to 2 क्वेश्चंस विल बी फ्रॉम पैकेज ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस आइदर इट बी आईएफओएस आइदर इट बी सीएसई एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल पेपर. तो सब में पैकेज ऑफ प्रैक्टिस से 1-2 क्वेश्चंस तो रहता है. तो इट्स योर ड्यूटी टू कवर ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट क्रॉप्स, all the important vegetables, all the important fruits, so that you can approach these types of questions very easily. So let's see how can we answer this question. So first of all, we should know something about onion, that the highest producer of onion in the world is China. अगर आप highest producer of onion in world की बात करें तो China, it is the highest producer. And the second highest producer of onion in world is India. India is second highest producer. और अगर इंडिया में बात करें, इन इंडिया द हाईएस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ अनियन इज महाराष्ट्र. स्टेट वाइज की बात करें तो इंडिया में जो हाईएस्ट प्रोड्यूसर है दैट इज महाराष्ट्र. So these are the some of the facts as per the production of onion which you should know. Maharashtra is the highest producing state of onion in India. Now let's move to the package of practices. Package of practices of onion. So first of all, varieties. So common varieties of onion include Pusa Red, Agri Found Dark Red, Agri Found Dark Red. We have N241, etc. So these are the some of the common varieties of onion, and there are many more varieties, but these are the most common ones. And generally we should select the varieties as per our region. Which variety is more suitable for our region, we should select those varieties only. And we should keep in mind the varieties, the seed we are selecting is have high quality, disease free. So these are the things we have to keep in mind. Next, soil preparation. The onions generally prefer well drained loamy soils. अगर आप soil type की बात करो तो onions generally prefer well drained loamy soils. And this is a kind of universal truth that the most of the crops will prefer loamy soil because the proportion of sand, sleet and clay in loamy soil is the accurate one, and it is the best soil for agriculture. Okay, so the well-drained loamy soil is preferred for land preparation. We should plow the land for 2 to 3 times. Plow for 2 to 3 times. And add organic matter or compost. While plowing, we should add organic matter or compost. So what these things will do, and these things will enhance the nutrient quality in the soil, enhance aeration. So overall our aim for land preparation should be the soil should be with good aeration, good soil aeration, and good drainage. Aeration and good drainage. So these two should be our aim for land preparation. Now let's move to planting. So in planting, the sowing time, first of all we will discuss sowing time. So in India, in most parts of India, onions are sown in winter. Most parts of India onions are sown in winter, that is in months of October to November, nearly in October to November, and harvested in summer. Harvested in summer generally in months of April to June. So, as per the size of the onion, what size we need, we will harvest it. Suppose we need a small size, so we will harvest little early, and if we need big sizes, we will go little bit more deep. We will go a 30 40 days, give more time to the onion to grow more. So this was sowing time. Seedlings. Now we'll move to second point of planting, that is seedlings. So we need to sow seeds in nursery bed and transplant seedlings after 6 to 8 weeks. Sow seed in nursery beds and transplant them after 6 to 8 weeks. Transplant after 6 to 8 weeks. When it comes to spacing, so row to row spacing should be around 20 to 30 centimeter. Row to row spacing should be around 20 to 30 centimeter, and plant to plant spacing should be around 10 to 50 centimeter. Plant to plant it should be 10 to 15 centimeter. So overall spacing should be 20 into 10 to 30 into 15. So this should be the overall spacing around. Okay, this into 10 centimeter to all everything is centimeter to 30 into 15 सेंटीमीटर तक हम लोग स्पेसिंग रख सकते हैं. 30 into 15 सेंटीमीटर to from 20 into 10 centimeter to 30 into 15 centimeter. So this is about spacing. Now let's move to fertilization, or you can say nutrient management. So for base fertilizer that is used while planting, we should generally try to use farmyard manure. Okay, use farmyard manure, organic manure, these things. And after the plant has established, we should go for fertilizer application. Fertilizer application. So generally we all know that the fertilizer we are going to apply is NPK. So we should apply N around 60 kg, 60 kg of nitrogen, 30 kg of phosphorus, and 30 kg of potassium also. So this should be applied, and these things should be adjusted as per soil tests, and applications of nitrogen can be done in 2 3 splits. So that we have to apply as per our according to soil test, according to nutrient management, according to splits, how we are going to approach. But this is the general requirement. Nitrogen is about 60 kg and phosphorus and potassium of around 30 kg. Now let's move to irrigation. Irrigation. So we should maintain consistent soil moisture, but we have to also avoid water logging, and it can lead to bulb rot. Avoid water logging, because this water logging can lead to bulb rot. And for irrigation methods, we can use irrigation method. Generally, we should use drip or furrow irrigation. Drip or furrow irrigation. So what drip and furrow irrigation do? First of all, they do not let water to log. They avoid water logging. Secondly, the efficiency of water use also increases. So we should generally try drip or furrow irrigation methods. So this was about irrigation. Now let's move to pest and disease management. Pest and disease management. First of all, we will discuss about pest management. So the common pests of onion are onion flies, thrips, aphids, flies, thrips, aphids. So these are some of the common pests of onion. And for their management, we can either use pesticides or insecticides. Either use insecticides, or generally we should, as we are promoting organic farming, natural farming, so you should go for neem oil. Okay, neem oil is a very good repellent of pests, and by using neem oil can help to reduce these pests. Okay. Secondly, for disease management, first of all, the common diseases of onion are downy mildew, purple blotch, downy mildew, purple blotch. So these are the common diseases of onions. And for its management, either we should use resistant varieties. We can use fungicides because most of the diseases which you see on onions are caused by fungus only. So use of fungicides can be helpful. Such as downy mildew, which is one of the major diseases of onion, is caused by fungus only. And using of fungicides will effectively control them. For weed management, this was about pest management. And for weed management, we should regularly remove the weeds. Okay, we can do hand weeding. We can apply weedicides or herbicides, whatever you want to say. We can apply herbicides. Mulching is also a good method to control weed because the other areas of the field will be covered by the mulch paper and the weed will not be able to grow. So these are some of the methods we can apply for weed management. Next, move to harvesting. So onions are ready to harvest when the tops start to yellow and fall over. Ready to harvest when tops start to yellow, that is the color of the top, onion top will start becoming yellow, and they will slowly dried up, they will fall off. So whenever they become yellow and fall off, that is our onion is ready to harvest. But what we should keep in mind, that we have to pull the bulbs carefully. Pull bulbs carefully. Pull the bulbs carefully, and we should place our onions in dry place so that and allow them to cure in a dry place with good ventilation, with good ventilation. Okay, for about 7 to 10 days. For about 7 to 10 days. So what happens while we are allowing them to dry? That the upper layers, 1 2 layers, will dried up. They will become reddish, as you see in onions, and that will enhance the shelf life. And this is what we are saying here: curing. Okay. So curing of onion will enhance its shelf life because the upper portion will dry, and whenever you buy onion, you see the upper 2 layers usually dry. So that what does, it enhances shelf life and protects the inner layers. Okay, so that is why drying the onion is very important. So this was the package of practices of onion. We have discussed all the important points, and I hope you have understood all the points, from varieties to harvesting, from selecting the varieties to harvesting your varieties. So I hope you understand all the things. So please do like, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on रेगुलर बेसिस में से वीडियोस को बनाने के लिए काफी हार्ड वर्क लगता है, और अगर आप लाइक करते हो, शेयर करते हो, सब्सक्राइब करते हो, तो काफी मोटिवेशन मिलता है हमें कि हम और भी ऐसे वीडियोस आपसे रेगुलरली बना पाए. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.